Okay, so I'm a psychic, and I've got 3 predictions that I'm pretty sure are true. The first one is, if you're watching this video, you've got a beard. Second one is, you probably have heard of beard oil before. And the third is that you probably have used or still use beard oil. After all, it is the most popular product out there by far for any man with facial hair on the men's grooming market. So if I was right with those predictions, or if I was wildly wrong with those predictions, let me know down in the comments. But did you actually know that there are complementary products with beard oil that you should use with beard oil to help you extend the benefits of the beard oil throughout the day and to give you some interesting and unique benefits of its very own? That is the product we're going to talk about in today's video. So like I mentioned before, beard oil is probably the most popular men's grooming product out there for people with facial hair on the market. And that's for various reasons. It's super easy to use, everyone seems to like it, and the benefits of beard oil are pretty obvious. The first thing it does is it gives you some hydration to your beard. Throughout the year, in different seasons, and especially in different climates, beards, hair, and skin, and everything like that tend to get really dry. This is the reason you use conditioner after you use shampoo in the shower. And beard oil is supposed to give your beard and the skin underneath the hydration in order to stop those things, as well as kind of boost the elasticity of the hair and the overall health of your beard and skin. But there can be a major problem with beard oil for many men out there, typically men who are in super active environments. Let's say maybe you're a construction worker or something like that, and you've got to be out in the sun, in the heat, or in the cold, or any other time that you're just out weathering the elements. The problem with beard oil is it just goes away too fast. Beard oil is really lightweight. It's absorbed into your beard and your hair really quickly. Now, the good thing about this is that you're immediately hydrating your beard and skin, which is great, but the flip side of that is that it's really easy for the elements, especially in a cold or a dry environment, to steal that moisture away from your beard and the skin underneath. And so instead of applying beard oil once throughout the day and forgetting it, you may find that you have a scratchy or dry beard just a couple of hours after you apply beard oil for the first time that day. Now, this is a problem because obviously you don't want to have to apply something multiple times throughout the day. It gets really exhausting. And that is where beard wax comes in. Now, you may think that beard and mustache wax are just for styling your beard, just for giving your mustache that little handlebar curl or creating these crazy wacky designs or something, especially if you go to those beard competitions. We've seen plenty of those. But here's the other thing that beard and mustache wax does. It coats the hair instead of is absorbed by the hair. That is the whole benefit of beard and mustache wax. The reason it can style your hair so well is because it is a thicker consistency that isn't absorbed into your hair and your skin as quickly. And this allows the hairs to stick together because it's on the surface and it's not absorbed, and allows you to create different shapes and just kind of groom your beard and keep all the hairs in line. And overall create essentially a protective layer around the hydration. And that is what beard and mustache wax really helps us do. So I know that personally, if I need some quick hydration and I apply some beard oil to my beard, it's gonna be absorbed in there within a few minutes at most. And let's say I've got a long ride on the bike to get to work, then I'm gonna want to keep the hydration there so I don't have to worry about it. My beard can stay comfortable throughout the day. So what I will actually do is apply a very tiny amount of beard and mustache wax to my beard, which not only helps me control the crazy beard hair that I tend to have, but it also locks in that hydration throughout the day so I don't have to worry about reapplying something to get my beard to the way I want it. So if you do tend to use beard oil, no matter what beard oil you use, some beard and mustache wax will help it last longer and help keep the hairs that tend to drift everywhere or go out of control in check throughout the day, because you'll be adding essentially a styling product to your beard, which will not only help you shape it and keep your beard looking neat and tidy, but also lock in the hydration that beard oil gives. Now, let's say you don't use beard oil yet. Let's say maybe you can, maybe you do find your beard to be itchy, maybe a little uncomfortable, maybe a little rough and stiff like sandpaper or something like that. All things that I've experienced, but you don't want to buy 2 products. Let's say you just want a one and done type of thing. What can you get that combines the styling properties of beard and mustache wax that doesn't absorb too quickly, as well as the hydrating benefits of beard oil? Well, last but not least, I'm going to talk about beard balm. Now, beard balm is essentially exactly that. It is a blend of oils and butters and waxes, all organic stuff that not only helps slow down the hydration of your beard and skin, but it also creates the barrier that keeps the weather and the elements away. So thank you guys for watching this quick little video. Hopefully I was able to give you some information on ways to make your beard oil last longer, as well as some alternatives to having to buy 2 products. Maybe you can just buy 1 pack of beard balm instead of some beard oil and some beard wax. All of it just depends on what your preferences are, what you need to do and what you want to do with your beard, and whether you have these problems in the first place. If you guys liked this video, if you found some cool information or some help in it, let me know down in the comments. Please consider hitting like and subscribe and following us here on Volt Grooming. We've got tons of videos coming out, like at least 3 every week, as well as some shorter videos on things like how to trim and shape up your beard, beard grooming, using beard products, beard tips and tricks like you saw in today's video, and many, many more. If you guys are curious about the beard products that I mentioned today and that we hand make here at Volt's headquarters, then head to the link in the description. You'll be able to read all about them on the website and determine if they are right for you. If you guys made it to the end of the video, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next one.